Hi, today I'm going to show you how to search through all of your Panopto recordings in order to find specific terms. This can help you a lot for when you are studying and trying to put together in your mind all of your thoughts and what you've learned about a certain topic. Perhaps you would have learned about it across modules, across units. So this little technique will help you to put things all together. So I'm starting out here, I'm in MSK, and I'm just gonna click on a reflect, and I'm gonna say, yes, please use the Panopto mobile. So that assumes that you already have Panopto app loaded. So I'm gonna stop that here, and I'm actually gonna click done in the upper left. And now here I am in this other aspect of Panopto. So you see in the right kind of large column here, you can see I've got lots and lots of Panopto recordings there. If you don't see any, or if you only see a couple, you might not be logged in. So in the on the left side there, you do have to log in where it says account. If it's at the very, very top. If it says sign in, that means you're not signed in yet. So go ahead and sign in. Now, back on the right here, at the very, very upper right, you see there's a search tool icon. So I'm just going to touch that. I actually just kind of worked on this. I was interested in epilepsy. So I type that in. And sure enough, there's Dr. Mahmoud's lecture. I actually didn't know that he had given one. And I'm going back further. Pardon me. Here's one from 2017, and you can see all the different places where epilepsy is covered. You can see the times and the pictures. And Panopto searches for these things not just by the typed words, but by the spoken word. It is incredibly clever. So I do hope you will take advantage of this little search tool. Bye for now.